We are here at the famous Leather Lane Market. Leather Lane Market, let's go. Can see today, very crowded during lunchtime. Leather Lane. Look at the long queue for this Beirut. Yeah, long queue. Long queues at a Leather Lane. So it's a good sign that people are back in central London. You can check out the long queues of Leather Lane. Long queues, long queues. If you're there to eat here, many people are eating. Long queues in Leather Lane. Long queue. Welcome, welcome to Leather Lane. Everywhere is the long queue. Woo. It's a long queue for this Japanese hibachi. Woo. Look at the queue. Japanese hibachi. Let's keep walking to see. Why do we have a car coming through London and this time, Mr. Car? Not supposed to be here lah. Hiyo. Get off, get off, get out. Yo. Leather Lane. Asian fusion, tom yum soup. Walking through Leather Lane. Wood fried pizza. Leather Lane. Yorkshire burrito. Ooh. Leather Lane. Very busy Leather Lane. Turkish kitchen. And smoothies on the left. More long queue. Ethiopian kitchen. Yeah. And this is a kuruma bowl. Kuruma bowl, salmon bowl. Amazing. Amazing. Dope Thai. Yeah. Alright. And some Mexican and Colombian street food. Lebanese street food, also very good queue today. Many more stores. Pinoy Grill, UK, and very good business. Look at this one, Parilla Peruvian Grill, also long queue. Very good business right now. Yay! Wow, look at that! Oh, look at that one. But there's a stall on your right. The salad kitchen. Yeah. Okay, look at this one. It is not a Leather Lane, but it is the salad kitchen. What kind of amazing, man. The lunchtime. You wanna come here, eat, huh? Very busy. Yep. You alright? Yeah, disappeared. Maybe today nobody's buying fruits, but they're all buying food to eat for lunch from Leather Lane. Okay. Ciao, ciao. Long queues at Leather Lane. Yes. Leather Lane, long queue. Leather Lane, long queue. So, you don't want to eat, people come here to eat. Bacon chips. This one's good business. Lamb wraps.
Nice Japanese.
Lamb wraps. Paella. That's it. Lederline. Thank you for watching.